Hi girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera. Today is the unboxing day, so let's take a look what I've got. So let's start it with the skincare pack. So this is the pack. This is the only two product that I would recommend it from this brand. This Valmont brand. It's from Switzerland, I believe, because it shows on the packages over here. And this one is called Vital Falls. And this one is called Prime Renewing Pack. The name of the product is from this brand, I mean, it's always driving me crazy. This one is actually a toner, but they never name it as a toner. And this one is, I'll say mask, but they never name it as a mask. If they want to name it as a Vital Falls, like they are saying like a Vital Falls toner, right? It's more clear to the people. So I do have a open one here. So this is the toner. This is how it looks like. This is the one I'm using right now. It has a very clean, non-sticky texture and very easy to absorb by the skin, and has a very light and refreshing feelings. This is the toner I'm using every day. And so this is the mask. Okay. So it has a really light and creamy texture like this. I do use it as a live-on mask, so overnight mask, and some people use it as a cream as well, so you can just put it on your face as a daily cream or night cream. And some people use it as a wash-off mask. It's helping the skin to look more energetic. So let's say if you sleep very late in the night and wake up very early in the morning, so your skin will look very tired. One will helping the skin look less tired. I think this one is the most famous products from this brand though. And sometimes I do use it on top of my daily cream. So just add another layer on top of it. I do use it a lot before I was pregnant, but after I'm pregnant, I feel the results is not as good as before, so I'm not using it very often right now. But why am I buying this right now is because they do have a gift set right now. So this is the pouch they give it to you, along with this 3 sample. Consider as a sample, this is pretty big. So this is the mask, exactly the same as this one, and it's 15 ml. So this one is the mist, and it's 30 ml. So this one you use after the toner and then smoothing your skin. I never used this one before, I just want to give it a try. And it has a very milky texture, and then smell like a light rose. It smells pretty good. So next one, we are going to talk about the brushes. Okay, so this is the brushes I bought. I do like buying brushes, I don't know why. So this is the one I was using before that. So this is the whole package. It looks pretty new because I'm rarely using them. And then I bought this set of brushes a month ago. So this is only for the foundation. I want my brushes to be a set. So I bought another 2 sets from this same collection. So this one is for the contouring and this one for the eyes. This one is the daily brush cleaner, and it says over here it's quick dry and alcohol free brush cleaner, and it's gonna remove the oil and then dirt. It smells pretty good. So the next one will be this, the Bobbi Brown eyeliner gel. It's a gel eyeliner. Okay, anyways, I think this is the pretty signature product of this brand. I used this a long time ago, like back in college, but I feel it's really taking time to apply it on, and I'd rather just have 5 more minutes sleep, so I just change it to the pen, like the liquid pen like this. So it's very easy to apply on, you just like draw a line, that's it. And They have this one has like the thinner one and then this thicker one over here. So I use this kind of like eyeliner pen like for so many years. I feel like this gel pen looks really sharp on me right now, and I do have time at home, so I decided to give it a try. So for this one, and next one is this Dior Contouring Palette. So this one has 4 different colors. The one I'm using right now only has this one dark chocolate color. I just started to use the contouring recently. I never used this one before. I don't have time in the morning. I'd rather like sleep 5 more minutes than just doing this makeup thing. But right now, I really feel the difference, especially on camera. When you have the contouring on and don't have it, it's like different looking. So I just want to give it a try. Right. The next one is my body cream. Okay, so this is the Clarins body cream. So it's especially for the stretch mark. The one I'm using is called the Bio Oil. I think everybody knows that. Like you can buy it everywhere, basically. I bought it from Costco because it's cheap. One of my friends told me that that is not enough, so I have to get another like stretch mark cream or something. So I did a little bit of research on Sephora because this one is the first one pop up. And then I saw a lot of good reviews about that, so I decided to give it a try. It looks like this. I'll let you guys know if it works, but I don't have any stretch marks right now because it's only like 4 months, turning my 5th month. This is the mask. I redeemed it from Sephora. It's actually very useful, especially for now. It has a little wire on top, so you can just shape whatever you want. And the dots is pretty cute. I'm gonna wash it before I just actually wear it. I just feel like it's really cute. Okay, the last one is pretty important to me. Is this. This is the bag. I think it's perfect for winter. It's pretty thick, and then it's pretty big. This is I redeemed it from the Sephora. Every time I want to redeem something, the second I saw the item is sold out. Every single time. They never missed. Last year they have a lottery draw. You have to redeem your points to buy the ticket. So I used all my points to buy a 25 ticket for 25 draws. The first prize is pretty big, so I just want to gamble my luck because like I never redeem whatever I want. So one time maybe I win like the first prize, but it just wastes all my points and I didn't win. Nothing. It's just saying that how hard it will redeem something from the Sephora that you really want to redeem. And this bag is actually the very first time that I want to redeem it, and actually I got it. So I was so happy about that. This is pretty much everything for today's unboxing. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!